Hello everybody, welcome back to CDJ Rips. The big one has finally come and we've got our hands on the Prismatic Super Premium Collection. It comes with the EV deck box, the promo, which is there, the playmat, sleeves, and 15 packs of Prismatic Evolutions. Alright, let's tear into it. There we go. It opens up flat, I think. Is it this one? I think it opens up like that. It probably doesn't, but this is the way we're doing it. Well, that fell out, so we found the promo. And look at that. That is gorgeous. The centering, everything is just pristine. That is amazing. And the back of the card there. What is that? And here is the Super Premium Collection code card for you guys. I don't think it opens up like this, but this is the way that we did it. So, oh no, I had it backwards, guys. So, the lid has come off. I did not do it right. I don't need that. Here is the EV deck box. It's got moving ears. Velcro to open it up, just to hold your cards in. That's really cool. I like that. Also comes with these sleeves, which are really, really nice. I like that. I'm gonna put them inside of the EV box. And then we've got the playmat. I'm not going to unroll this because that means I have to roll it back up. And 15 packs of Prismatic Evolutions. That stack looks good. Look at that. Without further ado, let's rip them. There's the code card for you guys. One to the front. And look at that, we're starting off with a Holo Energy. Goldeen, Roto Stick, Fan Rotom. Oh, sorry. Now you know it's at the end of this pack. Habanberry, Kieran, Executor, Screamtail, Noctowl Reverse, Pyroar Reverse, and a Roaring Moon Regular Holo. Pack number 2. Code card. Don't do. And to go one to the front. Energy. Roto Stick. Cottony. Professor's Research. Litleo. Lacey. Executor. Binding Mochi. Slowpoke Pokeball. Whimsicott. And Espeon Regular Holo. Pack number 3. So excited for this box, I can't count. There is the code card. Got one to the front. And we've got Energy, Hoot Hoot, Dreepy, Miltank, Riolu, Crispin, Glass Trumpet, Hawlucha, Professor Sada's Vitality, Lopunny, Whimsicott. Pack 4, I believe. Let's rip into pack 4. There's the code card for you guys. We've got one to the front. And we've got the Holo Energy. We've got Drakloak, Duraludon, Pupitar, Bronzor, Rescue Board, Suicune, Buddy Buddy Puffin, Festival Grounds Pokeball. Oh, okay. There you go, no hits in that. Pack number 5. Code card. Go one to the front. And then we've got the Energy, Aromatisse, Noibat. I keep doing that. Black Belt's Training, Dusclops, Explorer's Guidance, Regigigas, Carmine, Applin, Cyphermaniac's Code Breaking, and an Umbreon regular holo. Traumatic Evolutions is not being very nice to me. Next pack. Got the code card here for you guys. One to the front. Got the Energy, Aromatisse, Eevee, Hippowdon, Baniri, Kieran, Seaking, Regigigas, Okidogi, Spritzy, Sylveon. So still no hits out of the entire thing. It's okay, it's coming. I can feel it. There's an Umbreon. Here is the code card. Go one to the front. And there is the Holo Fire Energy. Hippopotas, Houndour, Spritzy, Slowpoke, Great Tusk, Professor Sada's Vitality, Suicune, Espeon Pokeball, that's nice. Professor's Research, and a Lugia EX. There you go, guys, there's the hit. We've got one. Straight into the next pack. Here is the code card. We'll go one to the front again. And we have Energy, Pinsir, Larvitar, Black Belt's Training, Execute, Cyphermaniac, Screamtail, Ogre's Mask, Duskull, Bug Catching Set, and a Noctowl. Next pack, we're coming down to the second half of the box. No SIR yet. There's the code card. One to the front. Energy, Duskull, Cottony, Litleo, Drakloak, Janine, Bronzong, Techno Radar, Bezandipity, Noibat, Dragapult EX. 2 hits so far. Still no Master Ball or SIR. We're going to hit one in this box. Code card, one to the front. And here we go. Energy, Sneasel, Professor's Research, Dusclops, Dunsparce, Festival Grounds, Hawlucha. Oh my god, I did it again. Techno Radar, Iron Boulder, Houndour, Archaludon. Coming down to the last 5 packs. So we're down 10 and still nothing. Well, 2 hits. We've got 2 regular EXs. Code card. One to the front. Energy. Duraludon. Professor's Research. Hippodon. Amoris. Dipplin. Earthen Vessel. Oh, I did it again, are you serious? Pokeball. Master Ball Baniri. And then a Glaceon regular holo. So we've hit a Master Ball. That just means that there's an SIR coming soon. It better be the Umbi. We need the Umbi. There is the code card. And we'll go one to the front, just like all the other packs. Energy. Houndour. Applin. Goldeen. Hoot Hoot. Carmine. Great Tusk. Briar. Pinsir. Another Briar. Pheasantipity. Regular holo. Last 3 packs. Come on, Traumatic Evolutions. You need an SIR. There's the code card. One to the front. And we've got the Holo Leaf Energy. Come on, give me a God pack. Lopunny. Friends in Paldea. Bronzor. Furfrou. Rescue Board. Professor Turo. Shaman. Is that a Pokeball or a Master Ball? That's a Pokeball. Pokeball Flutter Mane. Regular Duraludon Reverse. And regular holo Dunsparce. Last 2 packs. Come on, we can't have a run this bad. There is the code card. One to the front. Energy. Amoris. Furfrou. Riolu. Friends in Paldea. Professor Sada. Bronzong. Earthen Vessel. Monkey Dory. Area 0. Regular holo Monkey Dory. Looks like it's gonna come down to last pack magic. There you go. There's the code card. One to the front. God pack or demigod pack. A basic energy. Larvitar. Okay, so no God pack, but still hope for a demigod pack. Pinsir. Ogre's Mask. Kieran. Slowking. No demigod. SIR. Nope. Ortega. Full art. Oh, not great hits today. Not great. We got Full Art Ortega, the Flutter Mane Pokeball, got the Energy, the Habanberry Pokeball, we've got the Baniri Master Ball, got the Dragapult EX, got the Lugia EX, got the Espeon Pokeball, got the Fire Holo. We've got the Festival Grounds Pokeball. We've got another Holo Energy. And a Slowpoke Pokeball. Definitely not the hits we wanted out of this box. But we got to open one for you guys. So I'll take that. That's not bad. Well, good luck to everyone who got their Prismatic. I hope you get something good, which we unfortunately did not. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.